Oh my god.
China, good 不 good?
But man, it blew me away. Literally 10 out of 10. I've never ever had a donut that's this crispy. I had to come back for this one. It was gonna haunt my dreams, literally. I'm in this amazing market, so vibrant. It's early in the morning. I'm on the hunt for some food because I'm hungry. Let's go. Wow, that's a load of so much she added inside. Yeah. Wow. I think she's got 3 different types. Eggplants over here, chives, and something else. Iga. That one. Iga.
一个3块5。
4个味道，你要哪个？
That one. This one.
要这个。
Yeah.
这个啊。
Yeah.谢谢你. Thank you. Man, this market is vibrant. So many people here. You get the freshest stuff in China. I can't even hold it. I'm holding it with the plastic. It's a little bit charred on the outside, and it's pretty heavy. There's a lot of stuff inside. I don't know if it's a good idea to eat it right now. Oh my god. Onions and eggplants and other stuff inside. Delicious. Dang. The actual bread is so thin. Most of the stuff inside of it is like the eggplants, the onions, the green peppers. It's delicious. Check this out. Look at all the stuff inside. So good. Man, the bread is super crispy, especially on the edges, and what's inside is delicious. Chinese love peach, for sure. This market is so busy. People picking peaches, getting soy, corn, watermelon. It's beautiful. Oh, this looks delicious. Ni hao. Hello. Check this out, layers. It's like a little burger of egg, some meat, and dough. Sorry? This
Chinese hamburger.
Oh, really? Wow. It looks good. Can I get one? Iga?
5.
Sure. Chinese food is so good. The best I've ever had. How mu, good dishes. Okay.
Where are you from?
Megua, US?
我们炸馆你也可以。
谢谢你。
这个吗？就在这个。
Oh, thank you.
Yes,
Oh, okay. Thank you. 谢谢你. Bye-bye. I'm curious to see how the hamburger tastes. Check it out. This is the Chinese hamburger. It's looking amazing. Look at the outside. Shiny and on top, I'm not sure what she added. It's what's inside that counts, right? I was recording myself eating the burger, but man, it blew me away. Literally 10 out of 10. There was a crispy egg in the middle with some juicy effing meat. So delicious. Nothing like the McDonald's burger where you're eating something that tastes good for a minute, but then it makes you feel bad afterwards. This is like naturally fresh stuff. Oh my god, man. Layers of goodness. Literally, you got the doughy stuff that's like a little bit fried. It's like a in-between donut and bread. And then you got the nutritious stuff on the inside, egg and juicy meat. This is perfection. 10 out of 10 for sure. Thank you. So good. So good. 10 out of 10. Amazing. Perfect. Thank you. Wow, I can't believe how fresh and how good and how much food there is here. Look at this. That's a huge pie. Look at this. It's amazing. You got a tub of oil and they're just frying up some donuts. What? Wow. I did not expect that. She slices two and puts them together and then puts them in the fryer. Watch, watch. Two, a pair. That's how it's supposed to be. The dough is not lonely. This is the finished product. People are addicted. The selection is unreal. You got big donuts, smaller ones, bite size.
你吃啊？
你好，
一个啊
一个，要少钱？
3块8，
谢谢你。
11块钱。
Dude, this is no ordinary donut. This is so big and long. That's what she said. Golden, beautiful, giant.
That's what she said.
I think you're supposed to have it with soy milk because that's how Chinese people have it. Let's try it out. It's giant. Check it out. This is my head. This is the donut. Doughy, crispy. You can hear that. I've never ever had a donut that's this crispy. Wow, tasty. The one in Beijing was a 10 out of 10. This one's like a 9. Tasty, crispy dough. If you have it with some soy, it's gonna be a 10. This one's a 9. The one I had in Beijing was phenomenal. 10 out of 10. Soft and doughy on the inside, so effing crispy on the outside. Dip it in some soy milk, this will be a 10 out of 10. Yeah. Fresh bread. Wow. That's insane. Whoa. Hello. Key? Okay. Wow. Iga?
7.
7? Ah, okay. All right, let's try this thing. 7. Puts on some oil. Interesting. It's all liquid. I think it's basically a pancake. Comes out looking like this. Wow. I think it's some egg translucent flour. Wow. Looks like that Vietnamese dish. I can't remember the name, but It's looking so powerful when it's finished. Translucent, looking amazing with the sauce she added. Look at the colors. You got the yellow, you got the green. It's beautiful. It's so hot in China. I'm sweating so much. This place is filled with food. Let's try this thing. Look at it. Oh my god. It's literally like noodles with eggs. Oh, it's hot. Oh my god. That tastes so freaking fresh. The veggies there make it seem like it's a salad. It's basically noodles with like some veggies, some egg, and the flavor that dominates is the sauce. Good stuff. Oh yeah, the ones that have the egg part have the most flavor. It's pretty good. I give it a solid 8. I can't tell you what it tastes like because it's mostly the sauce. The main flavors I can recognize is the veggies, green stuff, and the egg. Really good stuff. Seseni, thank you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Chinese people's favorite fruit for sure. I need a drink. You have a soy milk with a little sugar? One, please. Okay. Sese, Chinese drink soy milk for breakfast. I told her just a bit of sugar. Let's see. High quality soy, but this has sugar. I can taste it. Delicious though. Check this out. It's like a giant pancake, literally. Oh, there's some veggies in it. Check it out. He basically makes everything here, puts it there, and then she sells it.
China, good 不 good?
Yeah, very good. He beats it up, like how we used to beat women in the 60s. Oh my god, that looks amazing. Finished product is crispy looking. It's very popular. A lot of people getting it. Why not try it?
3.
3? Seseni, thank you. Ooh, sorry. How you see? Dude, it's so cheap. I can just eat it later. 50 cents for so much. I can just eat it later in my hotel if I get hungry. Wow. Doughy, a little bit crispy. And the taste of scallion. Tasty. Wow. It's definitely not lacking flavor here. Good snack for later. It's less than $1. Unbelievable prices here. It's definitely addictive stuff. Very good. Yeah. I had to come back for this one. It was gonna haunt my dreams, literally. Golden crispy egg. 你好。可以？可以。谢谢。Wow. Wow. fried golden bread with fried golden egg. 你好，一个
牛肉饼、鸡蛋饼、
yeah
肉饼啊，
no 鸡蛋
的啊，好啊。
一个。谢谢你。
啊，不用谢。
Thank you.
好。
Thank you.
Thank you. That guy, he has other ones. He fills them up with veggies. I got the gold, literally. I'm rich. Check this out. It's pure gold. Looks crispy, oily. It's like layered, it seems. Like a croissant. The egg is so golden. Man, I could not resist. I had to try it. If I didn't, it would haunt me in my dreams probably. Let's try it. Man. Wow. I thought it was salty at first. It's just pepper inside. She adds pepper and the crispy dough. Flaky. It's so crunchy in your mouth. Literally. Look at the outside. Croissant-like, eggy doughy and crispy sandwich with a little bit of pepper inside. Tasty. Oh my God, loving the crunch. Check it out, the corners are the best part. So crispy, crunchy, and tasty. And then the inside is like a taste of egg with pepper and some soft dough in between. And on top is the crispiness. Give it like an 8.5. 你好。哇。口感纯正，健康美味。多少钱？10块钱，这个10块，这个15。对，一个。芝麻酱香油，走过路过谢谢你 ，Thank you. Wow, looks amazing. Bye bye. 拜拜。拜拜。
4块。2个。
Oh yeah.
那就1个。
谢谢。你好。
甜的吧，咸的。谁要这个？谁要这个？这糖呢
Okay. I'm not sure what he's saying, but I think he's making me one.
尝一下。
谢谢你。Thank you. Hot, fresh. That guy hooked me up. He's like, hey, stop. Make sure you get this. Hot, fresh. Nothing beats fresh bread. There's some sweet stuff on the edges. Pretty good.